Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing assets and the app. Install KLWP Pro, then import your PNGs and background. Once done, create a new preset and set the canvas to your screen resolution so elements scale properly. Make sure to add images to the item list and define globals for colors and sizes. This saves time when you tweak later. You're doing this now to avoid scaling issues and to let animation expressions reference consistent variables across layers. Next, you construct the scene by adding layers and grouping them: background, midground, characters, UI. Once grouped, position each sprite and set anchor points for believable motion. Then apply animations. Use translate and rotate with easing and set durations for timing. Use loop or ping-pong for continuous cycles. Make sure to add expressions like V-parallax and $TF to tie motion to scroll or time so movements feel organic. This stage creates depth and synchronized anime-style motion. Finally, you refine visuals and test. Add subtle particle overlays, tweak global color values for a cohesive palette, and compress images to reduce memory use. Once satisfied, export the preset and apply it as your live wallpaper. Then test across screen orientations and battery saver modes to ensure stability. If something breaks, check layer order and clipping, reduce image resolution or animation complexity, and clear KLWP cache. These fixes resolve most glitches and improve performance quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.